All right, I am going to talk about two updates that popped open in Chrome over the past few weeks. The first one is using Gemini. Gemini is not new when it comes to Google. However, on the top right corner, you will see that there is now a button that you could click on. It allows you to click on the current tab that you're using. It will automatically provide you some prompts. So when you click on it, it will actually search the entire page and give you some information. But just like any AI chatbot we typically use, whether such as Google Gemini, you could actually put in your own prompts based off of whatever you're looking at. So I could stretch this out to see and read this well. So if I was to put in another prompt here, I could say I'm an 8th grade teacher. I want 5 questions based off of this particular website. It is going to do that as well. So it keeps us very efficient working in the same web space, not only searching for information, but also being able to create items and also search web pages. Really nice, very cool. On top of that, I'm not going to do it right now, but there is this little go live button here if you wanted to try it out. Essentially, it takes the text and turns it into a voice, and it actually can dictate for you as your assistant, if you will. So very nice to try out. So it's very quick to share that exists. Google Gemini is not new to us, but built into the browser it is, and it makes it way easy and efficient for you. Okay, part 2. The other one is not new, but I wanted to show you this anyway. So this new option popped open for me, and essentially what it does is it allows us to be able to click and have 2 different pages within your Google Chrome browser. Now, is that new? No, it's definitely not new. However, these separate views are pretty cool because it actually does have a lot of new features that are built into the browser instead of using 2 different windows. How do I turn that feature on? Very simple. When you're in your Google New tab, you just click on the little pen button on the bottom right corner, go to the toolbar, and now there'll be a feature called Open in Split View. If it's off, it won't show, but if it's on, it displays right here, and you could actually split your screen into multiple views. Very cool to try out. 2 awesome updates that are going to make life easy with you using your Google Chrome browser.